Doing an unboxing of the drill Doctor XPK. If you're like me, I use a lot of drill bits, and when I was younger I was able to sharpen them on my grinder, but my eyesight's getting bad, so that's not working so well these days. Picked this up at Lowe's. It's like 80 bucks. Never used one before, but the guy at Lowe's says it's pretty good and it works real well. They even make different series. I think this is the 350X. They make a 500 and a 750. It'll do 1/8 up to a 1/2 inch bit. It'll do carbide, cobalt, high-speed steel, tin coated, masonry, and split point. So it'll cover all of them up to a 1/2 inch. Let's open this thing and see what's inside of it. It's got a real good user manual. Breaks out all the parts and pieces for it. I'll look at that in just a second. See if we can get this thing put together and see how it's going to work. Looks pretty basic. I think this is what goes here for the drill bits as you're sharpening them. Yeah, because you can rotate it. And it actually oscillates a little bit, if you see that. Probably can't see it in the video. Comes with a little wrench. Power cord is all self-contained. And a nice little DVD. Instructional video. Let's get this thing set up. See how it's going to work. It says it's easy align system, improved cut design, 6-foot cord, consistent 118 degree point angle, and I think that's my problem. I'm not getting the correct angle on them like I used to because I can't really see what I'm doing as well. Built out of plastic, self-centering, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. Like I said, I purchased it from Lowe's, like 80 bucks. Okay, so I went outside and got one of my bits. As you can see, tried to sharpen that one on the grinder. It didn't work out so well. Read the directions a little bit. Actually just slide the bit right in. And then if you rotate the device, let me show you here. There's a little clamp right there. See it open and close. This is how you align it. Take that tab and put it right on the 118 degree. Shove it in. See 118 degree. You open that, slide the bit in as far as it'll go, and it aligns the bit. And take and tighten the chuck. Snug it up. Pull it back out, tighten it up some more. Then you stick it in here and you line it up this way. There's a little white marking right there that aligns with this steel chrome marking right here. You align it right there like that, and you just rotate it slowly as the motor runs. I just did half the bit. Do it again, do the other half of the bit. Let's take this thing outside, turn it on, and see what it's going to do. Okay, so we're going to set this up to do a couple cuts on this bit. I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, there's a positive and a negative. The center is 118 degrees, but I found that the positive cuts a back angle on it, and the negative puts a positive on it. So I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, because it wouldn't cut then. If you had the tip shorter than the back of the bit, it's just going to sit there and spin. So I'm going to set mine just a little more than 118 degrees, just to give me a little bit of variance there. Set the bit, tighten it up. Now you rotate this thing clockwise. You take the white mark and line it up with the guide, and it's best to rotate it swift and fast and keep it tight against that guide halfway. Don't try to do the whole bit at one time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like that right there. You get that sound, you hear it. And as you can see, it's cutting it pretty good. Recommends 10 to 20 times depending on the size of the bit and how bad a shape it's in. Now the neat thing about this is on the side here, you can actually back cut the bit as well. Take and line these up with the grooves, and you'll hear it when I cut it. Shove it until it stops, rotate it, do it again. And as you can see, gotta get it lined up here now. It's back cutting a bit as well. Right here. Go on focus. And just at the tip. Cut this thing off. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is put this in my drill. Got a piece of 1/4 inch aluminum plate here. Let's see what this thing will do. It's cutting pretty good. 1/4 inch aluminum, no problem. Thank you for watching.